Inside this lesson, you're going to get a zip file that has 4 ready-to-use Claude skills. All you'll need to do is download it, unzip it, and then install each skill the same way that you installed the Build Your Brain skill. The difference is these are skills that I think you're going to love and be able to use over and over. So in the school community, you'll notice there's a tab now inside of the classroom in the Setting Up Your Claude Ecosystem course. And right here, setting up your AI marketing tools. So we're going to download this zip file. Okay, so just like we did the other, we can click right here and it'll say File, Download. And then all we have to do is head on over to Claude and we're going to go to Customize, Skills, click the plus sign, create a skill, and upload a skill. And so then we'll have to do the same thing, which is to unzip this file. So we'll come in here, we'll grab all of these and say extract all. I'll go ahead, put those on the desktop again. And then you'll see here is the AI marketing tools. And one at a time, we're actually going to bring these into the skills. So I'm going to do the email launch series first. And then I can just click upload and replace. For you, you'll be putting it there the first time. Then I'm going to add a next skill, which is the landing page builder. Upload and replace. The next one we're going to add is the lead magnet builder. And then the final one that we're going to add is the social media assets. Okay, now what is amazing is all I have to do is come over to my projects. I'm going to use my demo account here, and the first skill I'm going to add is for a landing page. And I want to design a landing page for my new Claude Ecosystem course. Here is the information about this course, and I am simply going to copy the information about what I've been doing, add this here. My goal is to promote registrations for this course in school. And then this skill is literally going to run and create an entire landing page for me. What's nice about this is you can do some brainstorming. Let's say you have a topic that you want to teach a new workshop about. And so it might ask a few questions and then it'll actually build out this landing page. So the price point for this school is $17 or free with an upgraded membership tier. Perfect. And then what's included in the course, walk me through everything, modules, lessons, videos, downloads, anything like that. And what I'm going to do is actually just take a screenshot and show Claude this is the course. Perfect. So it captured exactly what's included. The single most powerful result is that it is literally going to change their workflow and save major time in building out resources for their community. And I don't know, so I'm just going to say you decide. Okay, top 3 reasons someone would talk themselves out of enrolling. I'll say they've probably spent a lot of time signing up for courses that they don't finish and don't actually help them, but this course is literally going to help them so that they can complete daily tasks easily and quickly in their business. And to answer this question specifically, I'm the right person because I have a background in education. I know exactly the pieces that they're going to need from start to finish to be able to successfully do this on their own. I'll say this is a founding member pricing that will only be available for the next 3 weeks. Let's send them to the school enrollment link. So you see, I'm just answering several questions about my offer, and now it is going to summarize everything, make sure that it knows exactly what to do, and build out this landing page for me. Okay, check this out. So here is my landing page that it created for me. It knows my brand colors, how I like things to be written, founding member pricing, and then it goes through all of the important things that I have trained it on how to write a landing page from that skill. So it describes the modules, it tells you everything you're getting, and all for only $17. So that is an amazing skill that we have installed. And now what I can do is take this code, I can copy it and use it live on a website. I could also use Go High Level's AI Studio and just pop that in there and have my landing page. In the next lesson, I'll show you exactly how to create a free gift for your audience with this conversation. Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do is now take the information that we have about our offer on our landing page, and the next skill we're going to run is called the lead magnet skill. So all I have to do is type the slash and run the lead magnet builder, and then what this is going to do is I'm going to say create a lead magnet based on the offer above. And then this is going to come up with some suggestions of several different ideas that I can use to create lead magnets. And it has the brand context, and then it'll give me some ideas. Now, what's amazing about this is that I don't have to just create a static PDF. I can actually tell it to create an interactive artifact. I have more on that in my course and a challenge for creating interactive artifacts over in our school community. I just want to show you where that's at if you're interested. So right here, we have growing with Claude artifacts and how you can turn your static PDFs into content that people are interested in. So all I would have to do is pick the one that I like and then tell Claude to create it. And that's how you use the lead magnet builder. In our next lesson, I'll show you how easy it is to simply create your email sequences. Okay, now that we have our offer built out on our landing page, we have a free gift for people to draw them in. The next step is to do an email sequence. So I'm going to click the slash and I'm going to pull up my email launch series skill, which we've downloaded. And I'm going to say create a series of emails for this offer. And then it may ask a couple of questions like how many do I want? And then it will actually give me the series that I can use. So let's just do who this is for. I'll say B. Okay, so it's going to give me subject line, preview text, and then the body. And then all I have to do is copy that and send it out. And I'm ready to go. So there's 3 different email sequences. Amazing. In my next lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the social media content for your offer. Okay, so our last skill that we've installed is the social media assets. So what I'm going to do is now create social media assets for this particular offer. So I'm just going to type in social media assets, and I'll just say create the social media assets for this offer. And then what it's going to run through is a series of different requests for the launch bundle. Now, as you're going along, and if you find that you don't like the way this skill performs, you can actually have a conversation and tell Claude to change the skill, because I'm giving you what I wanted it to create. But if you want to adjust it, all you have to do in the conversation is say, change the social media asset skill to such and such. For example, if you don't have a blog and you don't want to post that there, you can just update it that way. And just like that, Claude has built a social media bundle for me to advertise my offer. I have social posts with the problem, a story, an announcement post, a curiosity post, and a value post. It even gives me a video script, multiple video scripts, an Instagram carousel, so like the topics and the slides, image prompts, and you are good to go. So once you've installed those, you're on your way to getting Claude to work for you. Thanks for watching.